severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:45 p.m. for Jackson County. At 4:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Murfreesboro, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Murfreesboro, Carbondale, DeSoto, Elkville, and Hurst. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:45 p.m. for the following county: Jackson, Illinois. The National Weather Service has issued